In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Quicktime to support your iMovie projects. This is an app that not only allows you to trim your videos, but allows you to record audio from your computer or an external microphone, as well as video from your computer's screen or your webcam. So let's have a look at Quicktime. You can create a new movie, which is in fact using your webcam on the computer. We can do a new audio recording. If we click on the little downward arrow here, then you can see your different microphones to select. When you press the record button, it will now record what is being said. And because I'm recording in QuickTime, it will record what's just been said. Play that back. The record button, it will now record what is being said. And we can stop that there. You can create a new screen recording. And when you ask for a screen recording, then you can select your entire screen. Or you can select just the current window, which is the full iMovie window as it stands at the moment. Or you can select a portion of the screen. So we just have this portion of the screen here that we can select and record. You can then here also select whether you want the timer to time for 5 or 10 seconds before you start to record, or as I've got it here on none. And then when you press capture, it will start recording. Once you've finished recording, then you can go to this button up here to stop the recording. And then you can open a file if you wish, and that will play any QuickTime capable video. Let's open this wedding file here. It will play that file.
Ever may come.
If you wish, you can show the inspector here and it will tell you what type of file that is, what the resolution is, etc., and the data size and the bitrate. Also with this, you can go to the edit menu and select trim. And now what trim will let you do is to trim just to a portion. So let's just say we want to do the vowels only, and we can trim that. Then we can save it. Once the trim is saved, then we can go to iMovie and open a new project or drag it into one of our current projects. Create a new project, and then we can come to our Finder and we can then select the clip and drag it into the... And I just wanna tell you and it'll play in iMovie as any other video would do.